Hello and welcome back to our SAP Product Inspiration series. Today I'm joined by Etienne, the Product Manager for the Search service in SAP Commerce Cloud. So I can tell you we're going to explore some exciting new innovations that could help to further enhance your e-commerce experience. Hi Etienne, great to have you here.
Hi Sven, and hello to our viewers. I'm very happy to share some insights about the Search service and how it can help our customers improve their e-commerce storefront.
Fantastic. Etienne, can you kick us off by discussing the reasons behind SAP's introduction of these new AI-powered search? What drove these developments basically?
The why is twofold. First and foremost, a better integration within the commerce platform. The Search service in itself provides all the core search functionality you would expect, but we're also working on integration with other solutions like intelligent selling services to bring AI to the Search service. With it enabled, search results will be personalized based on who's performing the search operation. Another planned integration is with SAP Order Management System to have stock levels always up to date directly in the search engine. The second part is also to simplify our customers' lives. With the SaaS solution, we, SAP, are managing the search engine. We constantly update it, it's always secure, we scale it up or down automatically depending on load.
That's quite impressive. Now, can you share examples where this AI search service can be very beneficial?
The integration with intelligent selling services is an obvious benefit right out the gate. AI personalization will automatically boost products that customers are more likely to be interested in, which will increase conversion rate. On the other end of the scale, it's also beneficial for smaller customers with simpler search requirements. It is easier to maintain, packed with merchandising features like boosting, faceting, and we make sure it's always delivering fast search results.
That sounds really great. And finally, can you please explain how businesses can adopt and integrate this search service within their existing SAP Commerce Cloud environment?
The Search service is built for SAP Commerce Cloud and is fully integrated with the current tooling. It's an alternative to our current Solr-based search offering, which comes at no extra cost. If migrating from Solr to the Search service, you can have both of them running side by side and simply switch between the two of them. This is a great safety net which is available to you for extra peace of mind. This way, you can migrate one storefront and no need to commit to migrating all of them in one go. If you're interested, you can join our Adoption Care program and get access to the Search service. But now, as this Product Inspiration series indicates, let's jump right into our system and see our Search service in action. Thanks a lot and have fun.
So, as I mentioned, one of the key benefits of the Search service, on top of being a SaaS solution, is its integration with intelligent selling services. To give you an overview, I'll be using a storefront configured to use both intelligent selling services, which I'll refer to as ISS in this demo, and the Search service. First, I'll accept the use of cookies. This will enable ISS to track user behavior and enable its integration with the Search service. So as a customer, I'm looking to buy a new TV. The first thing I'll do is naturally search for one using the search bar. This brings me to the product listing page, listing all products relevant to my search query. On the left, you will see a list of facets, which I will use to filter for LED TVs. And I can then start browsing TVs. In this example, I've done my research, and I'm interested in Samsung LED TVs. So I'll use facets to also filter on the brand and then click on the first one in the list. This brings me to the product details page. We added an ISS component that contains related products, allowing me to continue on my journey and find more relevant televisions. We'll take a quick step back and show how this is configured in backoffice. For this, I will open the adaptive search perspective. Some of you may be already familiar with this perspective, which is used for Solr as well as the Search service. I will find my index type, index configuration, and search profile. The search profile contains the facet definition, boost rules, sorts, and grouping configuration. You can then use the middle section to perform search operation, and the list of facets is then dynamically updated on the right side. Coming back to the storefront, we can see that the ISS components have all been updated and now display personalized products based on my search history. Now when I click on the search box, I'm presented with 3 columns, all displaying data coming from ISS. Trending searches, displaying the most popular search queries in the store. Recent searches with my 1 previous search request. And finally, recommended products, displaying a personalized set of products based on my click history. I will resume my journey and search again for TVs. We see that the brand Samsung has now been boosted to the top of the page automatically. The category LED TV as well, as you can see that the one LCD TV is now displayed towards the bottom of the page below this other Sony television. Using adaptive search, you can see that the LCD TV, without any personalization, is returned in 3rd position above that same Sony television. If you have an ISS license and want to enable personalized search, it is available as a slider configuration in the ISS portal. This will define how much of a boost will be applied automatically. If I bring it down to the minimum, we will see that the Samsung televisions are still boosted, but not nearly as much as we had earlier. We can then also use adaptive search again and see that they used to be towards the bottom of the page when for the same search requests. Lastly, I want to show how to switch between Solr and the search service, which is done at the base store level in backoffice. So I'll be navigating to my base store and look for the product search strategy property. There, if I select Solr and click on Save, the entire store will instantly switch to using Solr, which does require a full refresh to take effect in this case, but then we can notice that the facets are different from the one that we had configured for the search service. We can then just as quickly switch back to the search service, and this allows to have a safety net during your migration and just offers a little bit of extra peace of mind. And finally, to finish this demo, I will increase the personalization boost in ISS to show that, again, the results are now personalized after a full refresh of the page. This then concludes my demo. Thank you very much for watching.